What's up, the squad? Back on the video. I'm Recklezz.
Okay.
We have Ren Animal Flow. You feel me? Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, but definitely had to react to more Ren. Somebody said I think it's called Hunger or something like that. Y'all wanted that to be next, but then somebody had mentioned that he dropped the song today. So big shout out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, to Ren. You know what I'm saying, with the drop.
Right.
Definitely, I told y'all that he didn't became one of my favorite artists. You know what I'm saying, that quick. So it's definitely lit.
Yeah.
You feel me? And always got him in his got him in my prayers. You feel me? I didn't heard a lot from everybody commenting and from the fans. You know what I'm saying? The subscribers of what he's going through, what he's been through and stuff like that. So definitely, always, you know what I'm saying, my prayers, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Because that's definitely deep, and it's dope how talented, you know what I'm saying, he is.
I would say put it all in the music.
Yeah.
That's nice.
For real, you feel me? But you already know. Make sure you hit the like with that subscribe button. Let's get in the video.
Animal flow. You're in the mind of a cannibal king, where chaos and anarchy roam, and trouble is bubbling under the skin. A certain insanity shows whenever I pick up the mic and begin. Whenever these words that I write with my pen come alive, they ignite like I pulled out the pin. Animal flow, out in the jungle, I'm ready for war. I'm beating your brains with a bat, and I'm swinging it back, and it's spooky, your bike, 'cause I'm bored. Lord of the cannibals, bro, a murderous mind that you can't ignore. I wait and react, we combat on the counter-attack, on the king of the jungle, I roar.
Animal.
This shit is tight though. It's like it's different for one. You know what I'm saying? It's different. And I mess like with the whole, like just the video like itself. Like, you know what I'm saying, with the mask and shit. Oh God.
Doing whatever.
This shit
Our attack on the king of the jungle, I roar.
Animal.
Animal flow, I'm the flow CEO. I've got mountains of murderous rhymes. Mountain volcanic, I blow and cause mayhem and panic. There's nowhere to run from my mind. I'm an impassable foe, never slowing, just growing and flowing with intricate lines. Yes, I will dig in my teeth when I bite like a beast. Blood, I drink it like wine. Animal flow, out in the wilderness I will be king. Sit on my throne, I'm the Lord of the Rings. Out on my own, I'm a terrible thing. Animal skins over my shoulders like bling. They will be clothing my sins. I came to win over and over again. I'll take your life with a grin.
Animal. Animal.
Animal. Mary had the little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. It made the blood look so much redder when I slit its throat. Watch it drip, drop, till the ground was soaked. Oh, Mary, Mary, quite contrary how the blood it flows. Horrific, explicit, I be parasitic, acidic, I'm eating your flesh. Don't fidget, I'm livid, not mentally with it, I get kinda sick.
It's just his flow. His flow is raw as hell. Like he can, you know what I'm saying? It's his flow. Like it's something that like I can't even like describe. Like I can't even.
It's like its own.
This shit tight.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna cap. This shit tight and it's different. You know what I'm saying? I never heard nothing like
It's
this.
definitely different.
Yeah.
Mary, quite contrary how the blood it flows. Horrific, explicit, I be parasitic, acidic, I'm eating your flesh. Don't fidget, I'm livid, not mentally with it, I get kinda sick when I'm stressed. I am the I am the storm, I am the fury, I am the scorn, I am the belly, I am the beast. Yes I am, yes I am, yes I am, yes I'm an animal, yes I'm an animal. Yes, sometimes the things I say are irrational. Yes, sometimes the things I do are quite radical. Yes, I will be waging war on the capital. Yes, I will burn the houses of parliament down, cause hypocrites, they burn quite easily. Wow, burn and pillage it all to the ground. Your illegitimate king lost his crown. Animal flow, show no mercy under my rule. I won't be kind, I will be cruel. Down on my foes in a paddling pool. Yes, I'm tyrannical, bro, so never mistake, I'm man for a fool. I'll take your ignorance right back to school and teach you a lesson for testing my cool.
Animal. Animal.
He killed that shit.
Yeah, that was hard.
He killed that shit. That shit was raw. This whole video, you know what I'm saying, I kind of like got a sense, you know what I'm saying, of what this kind of was gonna be like, cause I was checking out his channel and shit like that last night. But this shit, I like this. I like this a lot. You feel
This
me?
is different from the other two.
Yeah, you feel me? It ended with that that purge shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Every time I look at him, I think of Thomas off Peaky Blinders. I don't know what he
swear.
Every time. The haircut and everything. Oh, God. You feel me? But you already know. Definitely hit that like with that subscribe button. Definitely make sure y'all go check out Rain. It's your first time checking them out. You feel me? Obviously, new to us. And definitely lit. Always going to be acting Rain. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
He lit. Oh, God. But you already know. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe button. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all next one.